Revising your thesis statement, the key to a stronger argument. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving deep into the world of academic writing. One of the most crucial elements of any piece of academic writing is the thesis statement. However, crafting the perfect thesis statement isn't always a one-shot deal. Just as a sculptor chips and polishes a statue to perfection, writers often need to revise their thesis statements. Let's explore how to effectively evaluate and revise your thesis statement as needed. A thesis statement serves as the backbone of your essay. It states your main point or argument and provides readers with a snapshot of what to expect in your paper. But sometimes, as you delve into your research or as your thoughts evolve, your original thesis may not fit as snugly as before. Revising the thesis statement ensures that it remains accurate and relevant to your final argument. Vagueness. If your thesis is too broad or doesn't give a clear idea of your stance, it probably needs refinement. Complexity. A thesis that is too convoluted can confuse readers. Aim for clarity and precision. Shift in focus. As you research or write, your original angle may change. Ensure your thesis reflects your current viewpoint. Lack of argument. A thesis statement should be arguable. If there's no opposing viewpoint or it's just a statement of fact, it's time to rethink. 1. Reread and analyze. Start by rereading your current thesis. Ask yourself if it still aligns with the body of your paper. 2. Clarify and refine. Make sure your thesis is specific and directly states your argument. Remove any unnecessary words. 3. Seek feedback. Share your thesis with peers or instructors. Fresh eyes can offer valuable insights. 4. Write multiple versions. Don't be afraid to play around. Write down several versions and choose the one that feels strongest. 5. Ensure alignment. As you revise your thesis, ensure the body of your paper aligns with it. You may need to tweak some paragraphs or arguments. Before, people should avoid fast food. After, due to its negative health impacts and its contribution to the obesity epidemic, governments should implement stricter regulations on fast food industries. Before, exercise is good. After, engaging in regular cardiovascular exercise can lead to improved mental health, stronger cardiovascular health, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Revising your thesis statement might seem like a daunting task at first, but it's a critical step to ensure your paper's effectiveness and clarity. Remember, it's all about presenting your argument in the most concise, clear, and compelling way. Happy writing, and we hope this guide has brought you one step closer to mastering the art of academic writing.